Let's do this. Time to go play with my boy. Open sesame. Coffee. Coffee. Coffee, coffee. What?
Sit out the
Oh, you're doing it by mistake? Yeah. Oh, okay. Right. Time to go play. Out in the nature and the dust and the forests. The boy can still go fast. And yet go faster. This road's got some potholes and swallows. Karkloof done, and now the next leg. Come on, you silly beef burgers. Pencils. Oh, the boys are playing so nasty. We are the forest monsters. After you, my son. Hello, mutton curry. Delay a little bit. Ah, Erzberg, hi. How are you? Yeah. There we go. I qualified for Erzberg. Don't think we'll try that today. If we can just get down there. The only thing is there's a fence halfway up. But it... Sorry? I can't smell it. Go! You can't have all the fun. Oh, it was so close. Whew. Okay. I wish the camera would show gradients of things. It's about 45 degrees. Right, let's try. Attempt. Take 2. See if we can get to the top. Come on. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Okay, now where's my boy? Jared, where are you? There you are. Okay, see you at the bottom. I saw you go down.
Oh yeah.
It is heavy, yeah, especially when it's lying down. You're all good. Why don't you have some juice, boy?
Huh?
Have some...
Bogging.
Huh?
It's a lot of bogging.
Oh, you've probably got traction control on. That's why it won't go. Yeah, I don't know how to turn it off. Let's work it out. Let's go into the forest a little bit. We've got to go that way, but let's go into the forest a little bit and get something to drink and take 5 minutes. Love these forests. Does it get better than this?
Okay.
These forests doesn't get better than this.
Yeah, I know, the forest are the best.
Just got to be careful. This is going to be super slippery on the pine needles. Behave. No, 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 no. Where you gonna go, silly car? Go left. Go left. Go left. Yeah, yeah. Mountains and pine cones. Thank you, Africa. That's a runway. Runway for planes to put out fires, I guess. Someone's finding the mojo on the CF 450. Look at that. So cool. Days. This amount of fun shouldn't be legal. Time to head home, find some meat en route, have a cold shower and a hot fire, and catch up with the Grand Prix. Whew. Smells good. Yum, yum. Thanks. I have commandeered the MT 450. The seat is like goma goma gama. Alright, time to make a fire. Well done, boy.
Kind of drive it smoothly.
Before this race started, he had led Kimi Antonelli 264 laps out of 559 in Grand Prix in 2026, about 47% of all the racing laps, and he's led